Broadly, vitamins are divided into two categories: water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin K belongs to the fat-soluble vitamins. So, today we will learn what is the vitamin K and why vitamin K is important. Let's get started and find the answer. Vitamin is an organic molecule that is an important part of micronutrition. And this K is taken from a German word that means coagulation. So we can say that the functions of vitamin K are concerned with blood coagulation process. It brings about post-translational modification of certain blood clotting factors. The clotting factor 2, 7, 9 and 10. These are synthesized as inactive precursors in the liver. Vitamin K acts as a coenzyme for the carboxylation of glutamic residues present in the proteins. This reaction is catalyzed by a carboxylase. It basically involves the conversion of glutamate to gamma-carboxyglutamate. And this conversion requires vitamin K, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Vitamin K is also required for the carboxylation of glutamic acid residues of osteocalcin. Osteocalcin is a calcium-binding protein present in the bone. It is involved in the regulation of bone mineralization. Hence, it is also important for normal bone metabolism. This does not end here. There is another function of vitamin K. It is required for the electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation. Quite interesting. Going into the details of vitamin K, it has many types or derivatives, out of which 3 are quite common and major source of vitamin K for the human body: K1, K2 and K3. Vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone, is found in the green leafy vegetables such as spinach, cabbage and cauliflower. K2 is produced by the gut bacteria and K3 is synthetic form of vitamin K. If we just mention the dietary source, vitamin K is found in the green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and spinach, vegetable oils, and cereal grains. Small amounts can also be found in the meat and dairy foods. But milk is a poor source of vitamin K. The adequate intake for men is 120 microgram per day, and for the women it is 90 microgram per day. No adverse effect has been reported for individuals consuming higher amount of vitamin K. So a tolerable upper intake level was not established. Phylloquinone is the major form of vitamin K in the diet. It is absorbed in the jejunum and ileum in a process that is dependent on the normal flow of bile and pancreatic juice. And this process is enhanced by dietary fat. So, we can say if a person's gallbladder is unable to produce enough bile or pancreatic juice, he may suffer from vitamin K deficiency due to decreased absorption. But recent studies suggest that rarely a patient suffers with vitamin K deficiency if he or she is not taking it in right amount in the diet. Because there is another source of vitamin K production inside our body, that is the gut flora. However, when the bacteria of the colon are destroyed, like with the administration of large quantities of antibiotic drugs, vitamin K deficiency occurs rapidly because of the paucity of this compound in the normal diet. Coming back to the absorbed phylloquinone, it is secreted into the lymph as a component of chylomicrons and enters the circulation in this form. Now, circulating phylloquinone is present in the VLDL, that is the very low density lipoproteins, and chylomicrons. Now, vitamin K enters the liver through the endocytosis of chylomicron remnants. Liver rapidly accumulates ingested phylloquinone and contains the highest concentration. Skeletal muscles contain little phylloquinone, but significant concentration are found in the heart and some other tissues. This is the reason scientists are now researching about the risk of heart failure due to vitamin K deficiency. Well, it is not known how or if hepatic phylloquinone is secreted and transported from the liver to the peripheral tissues. Vitamin K is rapidly catabolized and excreted from the liver, mainly in the bile. A small amount appears in the urine. Several compounds, both natural and synthetic, exhibit vitamin K activity. Because vitamin K is synthesized by the bacteria in the colon, it is rare for a person to have a bleeding tendency because of vitamin K deficiency in the diet, as I discussed it before. Gut bacteria produce vitamin K2, and it has significant role in the body. In the start of the video, I talked about the osteocalcin. Osteocalcin is a molecule produced by osteoblasts, which take up calcium and delivers it to the bone matrix. However, osteocalcin can only be activated by vitamin K2. This shows the significance of vitamin K2 in the formation of human bones. Osteocalcin is also known to trigger the formation of dentin, that is the calcified tissue in the teeth. Therefore, vitamin K2 is important for the maintenance of healthy teeth. The other vital role of vitamin K2 is in the inhibition of calcification in the blood vessels, and this maintains the heart health. Vitamin K2 prevents damage to the blood vessels as it activates the matrix GLA proteins, which inhibits calcification of blood vessels. Therefore, vitamin K2 deficiency results in uncarboxylated or inactive MGP, leading to the cardiovascular disease. This was a little bit about the vitamin K physiology. If you want to learn about the vitamin K deficiency, switch to the sqadia.com exam tips. You can find the video there.